Hello everyone. Welcome back to Better Homes Designs, the channel where we turn ordinary houses into extraordinary homes. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. If you've been looking into custom home trends lately, you have undoubtedly run across the term Barndominium. But what exactly does a 4-bedroom Barndominium design mean? At its core, a barndominium is a portmanteau of barn and condominium. It refers to a steel or timber-framed building, traditionally resembling a classic agricultural barn, that has been fully converted or custom-built into a high-end, energy-efficient residential living space. Incorporating a 4-bedroom layout into this structure means you are blending the wide-open, high-ceiling characteristics of a barn with a highly functional architectural blueprint designed for families or multi-purpose living. It provides a massive open-concept core, usually containing the kitchen, dining, and living rooms, while neatly mapping out 4 distinct bedrooms to balance communal gathering with absolute personal privacy. The benefits of opting for a 4-bedroom barndominium design are vast, making it one of the fastest-growing trends in modern residential architecture. First and foremost is the incredible cost-effectiveness and structural durability. Because these homes often utilize pre-engineered metal building kits or clear-span timber frames, they require fewer interior load-bearing walls, allowing you to erect the exterior shell faster and cheaper than traditional stick-built homes. Furthermore, the immense footprint of a barndominium allows a 4-bedroom layout to stretch comfortably across a single level or a partial loft, giving you ample space for a master suite, guest rooms, children's quarters, or even a home office without feeling cramped. This structural flexibility means you can easily customize the floor plan over time, while the steel siding and metal roofing provide exceptional resistance against harsh weather, pests, and fire, ensuring your home stands strong for generations. Decorating the exterior of a 4-bedroom barndominium to elevate its curb appeal requires balancing bold architectural contrasts with inviting rustic elements. To make your barndominium look truly stunning, look into utilizing high-contrast color schemes, such as pairing a dark charcoal or deep black siding with warm, natural wood accents along the entryways and porch pillars. Adding an expansive wraparound porch or a prominent front gable covered in cedar timber not only breaks up the massive, flat profile of the barn structure, but also creates a welcoming outdoor living zone. Incorporating oversized black-trimmed windows brings in a flood of natural light, while adding an undeniable modern edge to the facade. Finally, don't overlook your stone masonry or landscaping. Adding a stone veneer skirt around the foundation line and installing strategic uplighting along the perimeter will ground the building beautifully into its rural or suburban landscape. When it comes to picking the perfect aesthetic, several distinct design styles work beautifully with a 4-bedroom barndominium frame. The most popular choice is the modern farmhouse style, which relies heavily on clean white vertical board and batten siding, black accents, and warm wood details to create a cozy yet sophisticated look. If you prefer a more rugged, contemporary aesthetic, the industrial style utilizes exposed steel columns, dark corrugated metal panels, concrete finishes, and commercial-grade glass garage doors that transition seamlessly to outdoor patios. For those who want a softer look, the coastal or Scandinavian barn style leans into light earth tones, minimalist clean lines, muted wood tones, and massive floor-to-ceiling window walls that celebrate natural scenery. No matter your preference, the inherently flexible nature of the barndominium shell serves as the perfect canvas for your personal architectural expression. To show you exactly what this looks like, here are our top 10 best 4-bedroom barndominium design ideas. One, the classic white modern farmhouse brand porch. The 4-bedroom barndominium design ideas showcases a stunning 2-story modern farmhouse barndominium featuring crisp white vertical siding and an expansive wraparound porch. The massive front facade is beautifully balanced by symmetrical upper story windows, elegant glass double doors, and meticulously landscaped flower beds that provide a timeless, welcoming entrance. 2. Sleek midnight black two-story concept. The four-bedroom Barndominium design ideas highlights a striking, dark charcoal vertical siding Barndominium that redefines industrial luxury. This design features a soaring central roofline accented by an impressive multi-panel window wall, flanked by practical single-story side wings that effortlessly maximize interior square footage. 3. Single-story charcoal and stone masterpiece. The four-bedroom Barndominium design ideas offers a beautiful look at a low profile, single-story Barndominium that masterfully combines dark metal siding with a rustic stone veneer wainscoting. The lengthy covered front porch is supported by thick, natural wood columns, blending rugged durability with modern residential warmth. 4. Prominent timber gable entryway. The four-bedroom Barndominium design ideas focuses on a dramatic, centrally positioned timber framing gable entryway that serves as the ultimate focal point for this single-story black Barndominium. The contrast between the natural wood trusses, stone accents, and dark siding creates a commanding and highly luxurious curb appeal. 5. Urban industrial charcoal two-story barn. The four-bedroom Barndominium design ideas presents a symmetric two-story Barndominium design utilizing deep charcoal steel, siding complemented by warm wooden shutters and a spacious front porch. The clean lines and elevated roof profile make it a fantastic layout option for large families needing multi-level living spaces. 6. The ultimate extended country estate. The four-bedroom Barndominium design ideas exhibits an expansive, elongated Barndominium design featuring an integrated garage space and a gorgeous stonework fireplace chimney. With modern black frame glass garage doors and warm underporch string lighting, this design is perfect for those who love indoor-outdoor entertaining. 7. Contemporary off-white gable hybrid. The four-bedroom Barndominium design ideas features a sophisticated off-white or soft gray Barndominium accented by a beautifully textured stone foundation line. The distinct side entry porch and clean window arrangements offer a fresh, contemporary spin on traditional rural architecture. 8. Bold glossy blue modern Barndominium. The four-bedroom Barndominium design idea stands out with its vibrant, deep blue metallic vertical siding and a prominent dark wood front porch pavilion. The unique high-clearance roof design allows for exceptional interior loft configurations and an incredibly striking presence from the road. 9. Scandinavian minimalist black oasis. The four-bedroom Barndominium design ideas delivers a breathtaking bird's-eye view of a Scandinavian-inspired, all-black Barndominium estate. Complete with matching black steel roofing, expansive multi-tier wooden decks, an integrated luxury pool area, and minimal ornamentation, this design epitomizes modern architectural minimalism. 10. The ultimate white timber-framed retreat. The four-bedroom Barndominium design ideas captures a grand, two-story white Barndominium showcasing massive exposed timber framing on its soaring front A-frame gable. Decorated with festive seasonal touches and subtle black gooseneck barn lights, this layout perfectly captures the spirit of cozy country living on a grand scale. Choosing a four-bedroom Barndominium design means choosing a home that adapts to your life, rather than forcing your life to adapt to a standard layout. Whether you fall in love with the ultra-modern look of midnight black steel or the cozy charm of a classic white farmhouse with a wraparound porch, these structures offer an unmatched blend of structural durability, custom layouts, and long-term cost savings that standard houses simply cannot compete with. If you enjoyed looking through these beautiful homes today, please hit that like button and subscribe to Better Homes Designs for more architectural inspiration and custom home trends. Drop a comment below and let us know which image was your favorite. Would you build a sleek modern black barn like the four-bedroom Barndominium design ideas number 2? Or do you prefer the classic look of number 1? Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a new design showcase, and we will see you in the next video.